It's Tamika.
And Cindy.
From Save You Cents,
Y'all already know what it is. It's Target Tuesday. So today is April the 20th. These deals started yesterday for
19?
No, 4/18. They start on Sunday.
Yeah, 4/18.
And they run through 4/24, guys. So
Yep.
that's whenever that is. We are headed in here to get some deals. We have some freebies and some money makers.
Oh yeah, guys. We got
some
good
great deals on cleaning. So let's go ahead and head in. Also,
we want to mention
Sophia the couponer,
y'all. She's a young girl, guys.
She's young and
she's good.
Yes, and she's a couponer. We want to help her reach her subscribers. So in order to go on this journey, you got to have subscribers.
That's it.
So we're gonna put her link right here. Not her link, her picture. So you can go follow her, and then I'll put the link in the description box.
Y'all
go
show
and
her
subscribe.
some love and tell her that Sister Save You Cents sent y'all.
Or the sisters sent y'all.
Yeah, sisters.
Because y'all call us the sisters. So we're just happy to be able to support her, just kind of help her on her journey.
That's it.
So we're heading in, and don't forget to go do that. So press pause if you got to. Go follow her channel, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. And don't y'all forget to turn on our post notifications.
That's it, y'all. My hair flying. All right.
Okay, we going in.
Okay guys, so we have our deal on the Palmer's Moisture Boost Grow Treatment this week. I'm just saying this one specifically, guys, because I scanned it and it works. It's priced at $4.59. We have a $4 Palmer's coupon in our Target Circle. Now it's acting a little weird, so I'll let you guys know how it works at the end of the video. But $4 Palmer's coupon, we have $2 back on Ibotta, making this completely free, plus a moneymaker of like $1 and some change. So a fantastic deal that you want to pick up. So let's just keep our fingers crossed that digital attaches correctly. All right, guys.
Okay, guys. So the next deal is on these Renews. It's 3-packs. These are 3-packs. They're $2.69.
Yes.
We got $1 coupon, y'all, and then we have $1 Ibotta rebate. Makes them just 69 cents.
It's a really great deal.
So go ahead and get you some of these. I like this after the rain, Cindy.
Do you like after the rain? Because I was gonna get them snuggles that she got back there.
They smell good.
I don't know why that says value pack.
They got
plus,
a snuggle too.
But anywho, the point is, it's a great deal. Pick them up, guys. Okay, guys. So we have a really great promotion this week with Colgate. Y'all can see the list over here because y'all, it's a detailed deal. We want to make sure you give you all the details. So you're gonna be picking up 2 of the Colgate Keep toothbrushes priced at $9.99, and then this heavy mouthwash, the Colgate Swish, it's priced at $4.99. At our store, this is the only one that is priced at $4.99. So make sure you're looking, and this is the fresh mint. The other ones are priced at $5.99. So you're picking up these 3, and y'all, they're gonna roll. Okay, just hold this. Okay, so pick up all 3 of those. It's going to be $24.97. We have a lot of different coupons in our Target Circle account. So you're looking for, actually just clip all the offers that you see. You should see a $5 for the Colgate Keep, $2 for the Colgate Swish toothpaste, mouthwash, 10% off, like maybe 2 10% off, and 2 15% off. Clip everything. You'll pay $13.81. You'll get back a $5 gift card. And then once you do that, guys, you're going to submit for $3 back on each one of these on Ibotta. And then you're going to submit for $5 back on coupons.com for the second toothbrush, because we're only using one $5 manufacturer. It'll end up being completely free for all 3, plus a $2.19 moneymaker. It's a fantastic deal, guys. So hopefully that made sense. If you have questions, leave them in the comments down below.
Okay, guys, so the next deal is on this Extreme 5 razor. It's $5.99, guys. We have what we got?
Oh, it's a $3 digital. Sorry, I was laughing, y'all, because Tamika
$3 Target Circle offer.
Okay, yeah.
I said offer. And a $2 Ibotta rebate, making it only 99 cents.
This is a really easy
fantastical deal, guys.
Yeah, I'm just going to pick it up because it's simple.
Yeah, go and get that thing.
Get it. Y'all, we have a super hot, easy deal on this Dial 3-pack bar soap, so hopefully your store has some in stock. Guys, they are just $1.99, and in your Target Circle, you're going to see a $1 coupon, making these Dial 3-pack bar soaps only 99 cents. Y'all, this is a better deal than the Dollar Tree, so y'all need to go ahead and pick these suckers up. This is a great deal. We're picking them up. All right, y'all.
Okay, guys, so the next deal is on the Irish Spring bar soap. It's $3.99. Buy one, get one 25%. So when you buy 2, it's going to be $7.98. Then we're going to take off $1 for the 25%. Then we're going to submit to Ibotta for 2, $1.50 off of 1 Ibotta rebates. That makes it $3.98 for 2 or $1.99. Now, if you get your inserts early, there's a 50% off of 1 and SS $4.25. Use 2 of those. It'll make them $1.49 each. Fantastical deal.
Fantastic, y'all.
All right,
don't sleep on the Irish Springs.
All right, now get you some soap.
All right, stay clean. Okay, guys, so we are back. Y'all, I got this upside down. We're back with the beloved grapefruit red ginger bath bombs. That's not the point. So here's the tip to this deal. these are technically Love Beauty and Planet items. So this is why this deal is going to work. I've already tested it, went through flawlessly. It's a fantastic moneymaker. So you're going to pick up 2 of these items, priced at $4.99. This is the bath bomb and hand cream. They're buy one get one 50% off. Our signs are not up, but they are. No worries. And then there's also a 15% off Target Circle. So you're going to make sure you clip the Target Circle. You're going to use the $4 off 2 Love Beauty and Planet coupon that came out.
Unilever 418.
We just started drinking Starbucks, and you know how it goes from there.
It got slower.
Yeah, I did. I just got slow real quick. Anyways, guys, you'll use the 4 off of 2. You'll pay $2.36 in store, okay? Then you're going to go over to Shopkick and submit for $5.40 back. I said $5.40 back.
$5.40, which is $13.50. Scanning kicks on Shopkick. Make sure you scan in store.
Make sure you scan in store, and you actually get 5 bonus kicks right now if you watch a video. So you really get 30, but I didn't add that in because I didn't know. Anyways, it's free plus a $3 enforcement moneymaker, y'all. Fantastic deal. Hope you pick it up. Tamika over here slamming stuff. All right, guys.
Hold on, y'all. Okay. The next deal is on some main deodorant. We don't have the one that's priced at $3.99, but $3.59. Excuse me. You're looking for that one. We have $1 Target Circle. We have 15% Target Circle, 15% Target Circle, and then we have $1.30 on ibotta, making the final cost just 29 cents. Remember, you're looking for $3.59, y'all.
Yeah, we'll pop up a picture because it's a completely different. It's called like Tom Simply or something like that, guys.
Yeah, that's the one that probably ain't got no fragrance.
Yeah, it probably don't, and it's okay.
29 cents, you can fragrance it up.
Absolutely.
All right, y'all.
All right. Okay, guys, so we're back with a deal on the 9-element soap. So, you know, these have been on sale for a few weeks. This is a different type of sale. So they are on sale. Buy one, get one 25% off at $3.99. So you're going to pick up 2 for $7.98. 25% off is going to take off $1. So you'll pay, it'll be $6.98, and then you'll use 2 of the $3 coupons in the P&G. Makes them 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents each. This is a fantastic deal, guys. Hope you're picking them up. Okay, guys, so we have a really great deal on these 9 Elements bath cleaners and multi-purpose cleaners. Now, guys, they do not sell these in areas close to us, so I'm hoping that you guys have them. They should be coming in stock, but I called around and no one had them in stock. So they're $4.99. That's for the bath cleaner and the multi-purpose cleaner. We have a $3 Target Circle coupon and a 25% Target Circle offer. It makes these just 74 cents when you check out at the register, guys. So you're only paying 74 cents. No rebates required. So just keep in mind, if you do not have the $3 off in your Target Circle, we do have coupons in the P&G that do not expire until the 24th of April. Great deal, guys.
Okay, guys, so the next deal is on this Love and Planet Beauty shampoo bar or shampoo and conditioner bar. When you buy 4, you get a Target. No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
When you buy 4, you get a $5 gift card. We have a 15% Target Cartwheel. We're going to use 1 of the 4 off of 2.
2. You use 2 because you're buying 4
items.
Yeah,
you put 1. We're going to use 2 of the 4 off of 2 and Unilever 418. We're going to pay $9.72. Then we're going to get back a $5 gift card, making the final price $4.72 for 4 or $1.18 each. Fantastic, y'all.
Yeah, super easy. Hope you got it.
All right, y'all, we is back again with these Hot Pockets. This is the meatball and mozzarella. Y'all, these smell so good. I just want to let you know, when you put these in the microwave, they smell like hot buttered crusted chicken.
That's why.
It's really good.
Buttery seasoned crust.
So they're $2.19. You're going to buy 1. We have a Target Circle offer. That's how much?
40% off.
40% off is going to take off 88 cents.
Yep.
You're going to pay $1.31. You're going to submit to ibotta for 25 cents back. On 1, limit 1, 106.
Yeah, and check your ibottas, y'all, because I ain't got it.
See, it was a little sad. These things, my boys love them, so we ain't pick up these hot buttery pockets.
$1.06. You can't get hot pockets for $1.06. Great deal. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on these Pop-Tart Bites. Pop-Tart Bites. Actually tried them. They're pretty good. So they are 2 for $5. We have $1 back on coupons.com. Now, you can only redeem that one time, but you can submit to ibotta for 75 cents back up to 3 times. So to do this deal, you guys, you have to buy the 2, because if you just get 1, it's $2.99. So make sure you buy 2, submit 2 75-cent ibotta rebates, 1 to coupons.com, guys. It's going to be $2.50 for 2 boxes or $1.25 each. So this is a great deal to try these out. All right, y'all.
Guys, the next deal is on these Frosted Flakes cereal bars. They are $2.36 this week. We have 75 cents back on the bottom, making them only $1.61.
It's not bad. We haven't had any deals on these. So
it's the Kellogg's.
And it's only Kellogg's, so don't get it mixed with the General Mills. That's the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the Reese's, and the Golden Grams, and the Lucky Charms, y'all. So just this one and the Fruit Loops if your store carries Fruit Loops. Y'all couldn't get it out. All right. Good deal. So the next deal is on these Good and Gather frozen vegetables that are priced at 99 cents, y'all. As you can see, a lot of them are gone, and you want to know why? Because it's a fantastic deal. So we have 50% off Good and Gather items this week at Target. Makes them just, what did I say, 85 cents? 85 cents for the 99-cent bags, guys. So pick them up. Great deal. Lights went off. Okay, y'all. So while we were walking by, we noticed that the Good and Gather water is also included in the 15% off. So guys, these gallons of the distilled and the purified waters that are priced at 65 cents are really going to be, what did I say, 50 something cents, guys. That's a really great deal. These are included as well. So if you need to stock up, it's a great time to stock up on some frozen items, waters. Just
check
if
all
you're
their brands, y'all, because some stuff is just low and it's a good price.
It's a
I
great
was in
price.
store for all the Good and Gather items.
All right. Okay, guys, so I wanted to give you a really quick overview of what I purchased, just so you had an idea. I did not do the spend 40 get 10 gift card deal for the laundry promotion, but that is going on mostly because it says that it's happening in store. It's posted everywhere in store. However, if you go into the details of it on the Target app, you can see that it says that it's not valid in store, and I just did not want to go through that process. But anywho, so let's jump right into things. So I made 2 separate purchases today, guys, because I wanted to do this Palmer's deal, and my store locally does not carry the Palmer's. So the first transaction that I did is right here. Y'all, disregard my crusty nails. So I ended up paying $2.95. I got the Palmer's here. It was $4.59. The $4 Target Circle came right off, no problem. So it was 59 cents. And then these are the beloved items that are also Love Beauty and Planet. So keep that in mind. My $2 came off for each item. That was the $4 off of 2 coupon, as well as the 15% off and the buy one get one 50% off. So I only paid, well, pre-tax it was $2.95. So this is a really, really great price point. Now, guys, I ended up getting back $5.44 on Shopkick for doing the beloved deal, and then I'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making this complete transaction a very good moneymaker, almost like a $6 moneymaker. So that covered some of these other items. And then, as you guys can see, I did the 9 Elements, the Colgate Keep, the Schick as well, and the Renews-Its. So let's look at this this receipt. My subtotal was $19.47. As you can see, everything came off to plan. These are my 2 Renews-Its. That was the 25% off. You can see the $3 coupons coming off here. Here's the Colgate Keep. You can see the $5 coupon came off here, and I'll be submitting to coupons.com for the other 5. The Schick Extreme, $3, and then $2 back on Ibotta is going to make that just 99 cents. It was a great, great, great thing. So that was $19.47 before taxes. So, and I also rolled a $5 gift card, guys. I typically like to do that. So whatever I'm getting back, I like to roll back into my transaction so I know that I can continue rolling. So let's get to the breakdown. So pre-tax, I was at $22.42. I'm going to get back $5.44 on Shopkick because remember I said in the video that we're going to get an additional 5 kicks for watching the video on each item. $11.10 back on Ibotta once that processes because we have to wait for things to process, and Ibotta does the work for us. And then $5 back on coupons.com. So that brings me to 92 cents. But I got a $5 gift card for doing the Colgate promotion, which puts me at a $4.08 moneymaker. So fantastic deals, guys. I hope you were able to pick these up, and I hope that you enjoy these breakdowns. Keep watching.
Okay, guys.
All right, y'all. We're
done.
Out of Target, y'all.
It is windy.
We found some good deals, guys.
We sure
Everything
did.
went through with what coupon deals we did.
Yep.
No problemos.
No problemos. Everything came off. Now, we do be a little slow because y'all know we don't keep on at Target.
Yeah.
We just started.
Yeah.
So we be at that register. I be asking all the questions.
She asked 84 questions.
95 questions.
Out waiting.
I like details. So, but everything went through fine. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
Yep. And if you like these Target deals, please like, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Please, please, please. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Bye, y'all.
Hey, and don't forget to follow Sophia the Couponer.
Okay, bye now.
Bye, guys.